Jimmy is here really early. He's lucky he caught me because I was just about to go out and get Carol. Yeah, mate. Hang on. Oh dear, sorry about this. There we go. Come on. Come on. Quick. Come on, Jim. Jim. Good boy. Come on then. Yeah, Carol's gone to bingo. She usually gets a lift home, but the girl that brings her home isn't there this week, so I'm going to go and pick her up quickly. This little lad's come early. Slow down then. Good boy. Well done. Right, here we go then. 1, 2, 'You waiting for a third one already? Are you? That's 1. That's 2. You just want the 2 then, yeah? Good. No? You want 3? Come on then. Yeah. 3. Good boy. Right, I've got to go out, but I'll be back in about 10 minutes. Okay, there we go, folks. That was Jimmy. Okay, so Jimmy is back again. Here we go. 1 and 2. Good boy. Can't see him go up at the road at the moment. You want 3? Huh? Come on then. Here. Seems as I made you wait for me to come back. Yeah, but can't watch him go up the road at the moment as there is a car parked outside, which wouldn't normally park there. It would normally park outside the neighbours there. But that car is parked there from somebody who doesn't even live in the road. But there we go. What can we do? That was Jimmy. So I've put a whole load of food out there with sandwiches, chicken, the whole lot. And I want to say it's Jimmy that's been back a couple of times. But it's strange he hasn't run off and taken a dog treat or anything with him. So, and that bowl there has got the fox and badger food in it. So we'll see if they eat it. There's also the 2 bowls are out there. Car is still there, so not a lot I can do about that at the moment. Just wait and see who turns up next. Right, Jimmy's back. Jim? Jim? Is it you that's been eating that food without me seeing you? Huh? Was it? Was it? Come on then. 2. Okay, off he goes. Didn't stop for the 3rd one that time. So Jimmy is back yet again. He has been back a couple of times since and taken the dog treats. There we go, 2. It's all right, mate. And off he goes. So Pip has arrived. Come on. Come on, little fella. How are you, all right? Good boy. Good boy. Yeah. Come on. Come on then. It's okay. Well done, mate. A bit of a watery eye going on there again, haven't you? Okay, it's all right. Keep an eye on that for you. This one's certainly getting closer now as well. Yes, you are. Do you want some of this other chicken then, Pip? I know you're not a lover of it, but here, mate. Do you want that chicken? He says I'll eat that first. Who's out there? Pip. No. I don't know what he's looking at. Oh, it's Chip. Come on then, Chip Chip. Come on, baby girl. Chip. No, she's going to run over there. Chip. Chip. Come on, baby. Just see to the right of that car. Chip Chip. Come on, baby girl. Here. Come on. Here we go. Good girl. Funny how those two come together a lot now. Isn't it? Hey? You and Pip seem to be together quite a lot recently. It's okay. Hello, you come back then, Pip. It's okay. It is Chip, it's fine. It's all for you, unless your son eats it first. I'm getting quick. There's a car up the road. Come and get some chicken then, Chip. Chicken and Chip, it doesn't sound quite right, does it really? But you know what I mean. Yeah, there's a car going. So Chip's just over there behind Dave, and Pip has run off into the garden. Just wait and see what Chip does. Right, let's see if she'll come back now. Chip Chip. Chip Chip. Or did she disappear totally? Chip Chip. No, I think she went totally round the back. Okay, hopefully she'll come back for her chicken. There. I stopped recording and she's there. Chip. Chip Chip. Come on. Just see her in the... Chip Chip. Come on, baby girl. No, she's going off up the road. I shall leave chicken out and then she can come back for it if she wants to. waiting to see if she does come back because she just went over to the left. Chip Chip! No. Okay, I'll pop some chicken out and then hopefully she'll come back and get some. So tonight we've seen Jimmy, Pip, Chip and Daphne. As Daphne is around, what I've done now is I've taken that fox and badger food out of the tin bowl and put it on the floor. So I've also put the rest of the chicken, sandwich and sausage out. There's a few pieces of raw chicken there and there's a couple of pieces of raw chicken there. I haven't put all the chicken out yet because if Jimmy turns up, he will take all 5 pieces. So I'm just hoping that Daphne comes back, or Chip, or one of the others, and takes some chicken before Jimmy beats them to it. But I will be putting more chicken out before I go to bed. But I'm going to call it a night, see if I can chill a little bit while the cubs are still asleep, and I will see you all tomorrow. So thank you once again for following me, and you take care everybody. See you very soon.